Hello guys, welcome to the another series of coding. Today we will solve LeetCode problem count negative in a sorted matrix, right? So it's a we got m cross n matrix, great, okay, and we have to count how many elements are negative, right? So whenever you see that the word sorted, that means you have to apply binary search. There are a lot of brute force approach to solve this problem, but this basically a question is asking that you have to apply binary search, right? Let me say here related topic to binary search, right? So you have to apply the binary search. So brute force approach, time complexity may vary of order and square when you apply linear search. So it time complexity would be order of n square because array of array, okay. So uh, I hope you tried by your own. Then you have tried one or two brute force approach to solve this problem. So to get the better time complexity, you have to apply binary search. Okay. So let me take into a demo board to get a further understanding. So you you are aware of binary search, right? Uh, okay. So what we will do here, we will make a function. Let's say uh, function is solver. Okay. No, I will take a helper. Okay, helper function. You pass this array. Okay, you pass this array in the helper function. What help, you know that in we have to make the start pointer in binary search. Okay, so start pointer would be at 0 and end is at 4. Okay, so 4 element are there in this array, that's why the len of array, right? And we have to find the mid is 2 plus 4 plus 0 equal to 2 by divided by 2 equal to 2, right? So mid element came 2, so it is pointing here. Now we will check that this element is negative. No, this element is not negative, so we will update our start pointer. So start pointer will point equal to uh, mid mid plus 1. Okay, now the start pointer came here. Okay, so we know that after this element no other element is negative. So we we are confirmed that after this element no element are negative. So we have to check in this subarray, right? We have to check in the subarray. So again we will apply because start is still less than end. Okay, so start is 3. Okay, start become 3 now, and end is 4, so still less than the while loop will be continue. Okay, so we will again find the mid element. 3 plus 4 7 divided by 2, that's floor division, and it will take 7 divided by 2 is 3. So mid element become 3, so it will point here now, right? It will point here because we index start with 0, that's why it will be. So now this element is less than and it is a negative, right? So what we will do, we will make end equal to mid. Okay, and become mid, and at the last when we now we have done, and now and become 3, right? And this is now start equal to, and the while loop will not continue, and this function will return what it will return. It will return len of the this len of this was 4. Okay, len of this was 4, and minus what, minus the start. So minus the start, and we will get one negative. Okay, we will get one negative element in this, and it will give this one, return this one, and we will plus it into total. Okay, now when we pass this, okay, this is very interesting array. Okay, when we pass this, let me construct this array again. 1 -2, -3, and -4, right? So what we will do here, we know that again we will do same process. Okay, the start pointer at the 0 and end is at the 4, right? So start is, I will change the pen. So start at 0 and end is at 4, right? So what we will do, we will find the mid becomes 2, right? Mid become 2 here, it will come here, so it is negative, so end pointer will be updated. Now mid, let me write here, mid be, okay, end pointer now, end pointer will be updated because this is negative element, so end pointer will be updated and equal to 2, so end become 2. Now 0 plus 2 equal 0 plus 2 equal to 1, and we find mid equal mid become 1. Okay, so mid become 1, so it came here. Okay, it came here, and it is also negative. Again end pointer will update it, end pointer will point it here, right? End pointer will point it here 1. So now again 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 divided by 2, it will point at 0, and it will come here, and this is also negative, so end pointer will be 0, end pointer will be 0, right? Now what we will do, we so start pointer and pointer become equal, so the while loop will not continue. Okay, so it will return, what it will return, length of array minus the start pointer. So length of array is 4. Okay, length of array is 4, and start length of array is 4, and it was start pointer was 0, so there are 4 negative elements, and we saw that there are 4 negative element. Okay, so we will apply this approach into our coding. Okay, so what we will do, we have make a helper function. Okay, so we have to make a helper function. Helper function will get a array. Okay, array so okay, after that it now I will write a pass, because first we will, so total, we will count how many negative element this helper function will give us. So and for I in grid, and what we will do, we will call at every grid, it will give, and first array, first it will give this array. When we iterate, it will give this array to this function, then again in this array to this function. Okay, so same is it. Then I will call a helper function. Helper function will return some value, and it will plus in total. Okay, so I will supply this. Okay, after that we will return total. Now okay, return total, and now let's complete this helper function. So we know that in binary search we have to make the two pointers, start and end. Start equal to 0, and and equals to len of root. Okay, I have taken the name of root. Okay, while, so we will apply while loop. While loop will start while the start is less than end. Okay, that it will continue till. Okay, after that we will find the mid equal to start plus and minus start by 2. We have found the mid right now. Now if root dot mid is less than 0, we will update our end pointer, right? We have seen this in demo board. And else, if it is not 0, then else we will update start pointer. Now let me run this program. Okay. Oh, something went wrong. For I in oh, sorry, I spelled wrong. Let me change. Okay, again I spelled wrong, I think so. Helper, what is going on? For I total. Okay, none type as integer. Oh, I have not written this. Oh, sorry guys for committing a silly mistakes. Written len of root minus start. We have done this in our demo board. Okay, okay, now it will work. Okay, so it took a lot of time, but the time complexity of this algorithm is order of order of m log n. Okay, where m and are the where m and are the row and column of the matrix. Okay, so and its place complexity is order of 1. Okay, thank you guys for watching.